And I know I've been saying this for a long time, but I could finally show you guys a bird that we had. Look. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Look at your eye. It's so freaky. And yes, I am watching My Little Pony. And I built this cool thing this last time because yesterday my cousin came over. It's very, very cool. So I have this Nike box. It's very cool. See? Some stuff in there. And I have this really cool house, that car, my sister's stroller, and yeah. I also have a lot of toys in my set. Seriously. Got a box of chocolate here. See? That chocolate. All almond chocolate. If you want to cut buy one, just get one. Put $1 in here. Or somewhere. I got this emoji bag. So, yeah. This is my cover. Oh yeah, and I also got a new cover for my iPhone 6 Plus. Super duper cool. Oh yeah. We have this ball. It's like I can't even pick it. A pom pom. I have that thing right there. Super cool. I have that one. And we have another one over there. See? That one, Corona. And that, I don't know where it is. I don't know what it's called. Negra Modelo, and then this one, and then that one there. I don't know what that one is. So yeah, I got this really, really cool. Oh, you guys can see me right there. Yeah, super cool. Oh, try. Just gonna try. Oh look, you guys can see me. Hello. It's like so, like hard. Okay, wait. Hello. So I'm just recording myself. Ooh, look at this. Super cool. And also have that little walker. My little sister touches the ground because we made this short. So, yeah. And we also have this Cowboys, hold on, it needs to focus. Cowboys, yeah, see the words right there. Cowboys. There you go, Cowboys. So, and we have this refrigerator. It's super duper cool. So, yeah. Hold on, let me just bring my phone. Yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah. It's funny. So, here it is. It's real. But the thing is, look. This thing doesn't want to turn on. Doesn't want to turn on. Oh, so I'm gonna switch this. Well, switch this to that. So yeah. So I couldn't put it on. So it's just good there. Just hanging out. You know. But look. So anyway, guys. Oh, I'm gonna leave with my grandma to sell chocolates in the flea market. So bye. See you tomorrow.